What's going on, nephews? We back with another quick video. This is just a little update on what's been going on. Why I haven't really been dropping like how I was dropping a couple weeks ago, a couple months ago when I first started. As y'all can see, it's a new environment. Got a new house, plenty of content to make in this new house. Just want to thank God for it. God's been doing a lot for me. He's just been real good to me, and I appreciate everything he's done, and there's more to come. But first, I want to show y'all around. I apologize for the wind noise, but it's kind of mad windy outside today, and it's been pretty warm for like the past couple weeks, but we in the new house. Y'all see it in the background. We got the house. We got a nice big front yard, nice long driveway. We got the special toys in the garage. This backyard is the first thing that caught my eye when I got this house. It's mad windy, y'all. I'm so sorry. This backyard is so spacious, so spacious. You do so much back here. I believe the last people think they had a dog or something, cause what it is, I don't know. There's a fire pit right here. You can sit on the logs and do whatever you want to. So what I plan to do, y'all, I plan to purchase a dirt bike or just a whole something. But I want to put like some dirt right there and like a little board so I could jump this with my dirt bike. Sounds crazy, right? But nah, the backyard is spacious. Why are these trees swaying like that? Hold on now. You moving a little too much, man. That goes to show y'all how windy it is. We ain't talking about no 4 for 4. So I don't have like all my furniture yet. I'm in the process of getting it because I just moved here. I haven't been here that long. Ain't nothing in the living room right now. Just got a TV. Yeah, Bible, Bible. I want to show y'all my little office room. It's like, oh, 1 second. 1 second. It's like my little office room, basically. There's like a button right here you can press and it lights up.
Nice.
Got a MacBook monitor. It's kind of, I had to, put it up there. I didn't want to put it right here. Turn these lights on. These chairs are for like visitors or my brothers if they want to come and chill, watch me game or something. But, that's a little setup for now. I got my motorcycle gear over here. It's fake. You know what I'm saying? Right. Hey, let me ask y'all something. How much do y'all think this scope costs? Let me know in the comments. It's EOTech. I believe that's what it's called. Yep, EOTech or something. And it has a green reticle inside. You gotta turn it on if you feel like doing it. And this is a 5x scope. Let me know in the comments. I got security. Well, who that is? So this is like the, I guess, little guest bathroom or whatever you want to call it. You know what I'm saying? Got it. Candles. When somebody take a, shower. Small little snippet of the bedroom, bed right here, TV right there, closet. I'm not gonna show y'all this room because I got an announcement coming up. Still gotta get the couch. I plan to get like an L-shaped couch, put a rug, maybe a lamp, like a stand over there to put the Wi-Fi on. Upstairs, it's basically like a guest room, I guess. So when I have guests, they can come and sleep. I got a bed up here, nothing crazy, just king size bed, and they got all this room. Whoever sleep up here, they got a closet, some hangers to hang their clothes, little view of the driveway. Maybe one of y'all could sleep in here, one of y'all subscribers. I'm just playing. No, this is my kitchen. Just washing dishes. Got air fryer. It's just stuff in the cabinets, like these cabinets. All my seasoning and stuff. But you got air fryer, stove, microwave. This is a touchscreen toaster. Now, if you want to toast stuff, you can make it from the lightest to the darkest, however you want to toast it. It can be waffle, bagel, bread, pastry, muffin, etc. I don't have anything in my fridge at the moment. Just drinks, juice, milk, soda, fruit, yeah. Oranges, bell pepper, whatever. Gotta go grocery shop. Freezer, like I said, nothing else. Ice cream, little stuff. Sausage cheese biscuit hit up in the morning. Got water. Oh. I need to clean that up. I need to clean that up. Come on, TG. Anyways, these are like snacks in the cabinet. Got cookies. These are like utensils and cooking stuff. This is like a little mini fridge. You keep colognes and stuff in there. This is my laundry room. I don't have washer and dryer yet. I'm gonna buy one, but it's like tissue, cleaning stuff, wipes and stuff, paper towels, bro. I'm gonna get a washer and dryer soon. Like I said, just moved and I've been real busy. I love this backyard. Anyways, y'all can see, just moved in, still moving in. My fault on the delays with the video. There's gonna be a lot more content coming out next couple days, next couple weeks. I got a lot of stuff planned. I did talk about how I don't wanna be known as a biker. Like I wanna be known for me. I kinda do see myself going that way. I don't wanna keep giving y'all bike content. I don't wanna keep doing the same thing over and over again, upload content of different types of content. I got a camping video coming out. I plan to go probably somewhere in the middle of the woods where there's like coyotes and stuff and just camp. That video is coming real soon. It's gonna be a video kind of similar to like Outdoor Boys, if y'all watch him, shout out to him. I watch him all the time. I'm gonna have a lot of water content videos, like jet skiing, kayaking, jumping off cliffs and stuff, do a whole bunch of crazy things. I plan to do so much crazy things this year. Short little video, I just want to give y'all a little life update. Please stick with me, I got some good videos coming out. It's only, what is it? I think it's February 2026. We still got all year. We still got a lot to do. We still got a lot to accomplish. We've accomplished so much. I want to say shout out to YouTube. My videos are now getting monetized. Unfortunately for y'all gonna see some ads. But other than that, we getting monetized now. Shout out to y'all too. I give a big thanks to God, what he's been doing as far as me, you know, being able to have a new environment. Quick little video. I appreciate y'all watching this. Y'all have a blessed one. I'll catch y'all in the next one.